Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll show you how to replace tail light, brake light bulbs, rear turn signal light bulbs on BMW E90 Sedan right here, guys. Should be the same for the ones without the LED. So stay with us, we're gonna show you that now, how to do it. We'll demonstrate on this side, almost identical on the other side as well. This one is actually even easier, so you just remove that cap here. But we're gonna show you how to do it on the right side because there is a little bit more complications there. So you will need to undo this one. Okay, you see this one, to open it so we can remove that lid there. Okay, like that. That's where the battery is and that's where the light is as well. So those are the, okay, let me see, the light bulbs right here. So you're gonna press in, okay, on that thing there. It's a little bit of limited room and you're gonna pull them out. Those are the light bulbs now, guys. So whichever one is burnt on yours, to show you how you replace them, you turn them counterclockwise about 30 degrees, pull them out and replace them. Usually the one that is burnt will actually be blackish. I mean, you look like it's burned on the inside. So that way you will know which one it is. And once you're done replacing, guys, you need to get it there. Okay, make sure everything is going where it's supposed to and push it in until it clicks. Okay, like that, it's locked there. And now you can go ahead and install that cover. And it's pretty simple procedure, it won't take you long. Thank you guys for watching, hopefully the video was helpful. More videos on that BMW on our channel and more to come, so don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.